Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to document your project easily using GitHub repository. It's super easy. You can save more time. Let's get started. You need to change your GitHub repo link like this. Remove GitHub word and add GitHub word. Let's follow the practical example. Go to your GitHub repo. I want to document this project. Now change browser address bar URL like this. Remove GitHub word and add GitHub word. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Now it redirects to GitHub website. Now you can view your project documentation. You can see it covers all file folder structure and all codes. See how cool and easy it is. Make sure like and subscribe the channel. Support us for more this type of useful videos. Thank you.